Good afternoon, Green Valley Dental Clinic. How may I help you?
Hello, I'd like to book an appointment with Dr. Sharma, please.
Certainly. Have you visited our clinic before?
No, this would be my first appointment.
All right. May I have your name, please?
Yes, my name is Rohan Mehta.
Thank you, Mr. Mehta. Dr. Sharma is available on Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. or Friday at 11 a.m. Which time would you prefer?
Wednesday at 3:30 would be perfect.
Great. Could you also provide a contact number?
Yes, it's 987654321.
Thank you. Your appointment has been booked. Please arrive 10 minutes early to fill out a patient form.
Oh, sure. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, and have a great day.